What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide spoiler text in Discord. Whether it's a new movie, video game, show, or something else, not all of your friends are going to be able to watch it or play it at the same time. Thankfully, Discord makes it relatively easy to hide spoiler text so the people who haven't caught up yet don't have to see spoilers if they don't want to, and the people who are caught up see the spoiler text and engage in a discussion. It's important to note that this process is a little bit different between the Discord web and desktop apps and the Discord mobile app. I'll cover both methods in this video. First, let's walk through the steps to hide spoiler text in Discord on the Discord desktop and web apps. Step 1. Open Discord by either launching the Discord app on your computer or navigating to the Discord website. You'll land on your Discord home screen. Step 2. Type the message you want to send to either a specific individual or in a forum that includes the spoiler text you want to hide. Step 3. Highlight the specific text you want to hide. A menu will appear directly over that text. Step 4. Click the hide icon, which looks like an eyeball. The menu will disappear and you'll now see two straight pipes displayed on each side of the text you want to hide, and you'll see that your text is highlighted. Now, when you post your message containing spoilers, the spoiler text you chose to hide will be blacked out for other Discord users, and they will need to click the hidden spoiler text to read it. Next, let's look at the steps to hide spoiler text in the Discord mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Step 1. Launch the Discord app for your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Discord home screen. Step 2. Type the message you want to send to either a specific individual or in a forum that includes the spoiler text you want to hide. Step 3. Manually insert two straight pipes on each side of any parts of your message you want to hide. Now, when you post your message containing spoilers, the spoiler text you chose to hide will be blacked out for other Discord users, and they will need to click the hidden spoiler text to read it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.